friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today's video is going to be a Lush unboxing slash haul. I picked up quite a few things on their unboxing day sale. If you guys do not know, Lush only does one sale a year that I can think of, and it is on December 26th, which is Boxing Day, and so I patiently waited for them stuff to go on sale. I actually kind of forgot, so by the time I got to things, there were a lot of stuff sold out. They didn't have like a lot of things on sale. This is my first time actually shopping unboxing day sales, so I didn't know what to expect, and I think that they switched it up this year, so yeah. But I still wanted to show you what I got. It's just January 8th right now, so it took like 2 to 3 weeks to get the stuff in the mail, and I am so pumped to show you guys what I got. Some of it I haven't even opened yet, so we're gonna get a real first impressions. So if you guys are curious to know what I got, then of course keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you here is this little box. This has a shower gel and a shower scrub in it, and I got this because one, it was a really good price, which I'll tell you the price in just a second. It looks like it's originally $16.95, but I know that's not how much I paid for it. Okay, so this was originally $16.95. It's called the box, and I paid $8.47 for it. So this is one that I haven't opened yet, and I'm really excited to try it. Look at the box, it's so cute. It was made by Molina's team. If you guys can't tell, I have one of my cats chilling back here. This is Roland. He was being well behaved, so I thought it was okay that he stayed in here for this. So with this, like I said, comes a shower scrub in cookie dough. Oh, this smells so good. I'm pretty sure that this is, I've tried one of these before, but I can't remember what it was, but I think it was cookie dough. I can't remember, but I really do like them. And then I had saw that Nikki and Gabby had really liked this scent. It's called Yognog, so I wanted to try that, and it was included in the little packet thing. Let me smell it real quick. Ooh, this smells so good. This smells a lot like the Bath & Body Works scent, Vanilla Bean, but it says caramel scented layers with a touch of spicy clove. So super excited about those things, and again, this was like $8.47. The other little gift box I got is the Christmas lights box, and in this comes 2 bath bombs, and this was originally $18.95, but I paid $9.47 for the whole box. And again, it came super cute packaged. Oh no, it looks like one of these broke. So in this, I get the Shoot for the Stars bath bomb. It's a honey scented streams of Brazilian orange and bergamot oils. So super excited about that. And then the other one I get here is the World's Smallest Disco. I'm pretty sure I've had this one before. It says burst into the bath with multicolored fizz, popping candy, and a celebratory citrus scent. Which citrus scents are my favorite. That one smells so good. Super excited about that. I got a lot of new bath bombs I'm super excited to try. So again, that was one of the scents, or one of the gift packs that were on sale, so that's why I picked that up. I'm going to keep it in the box because it's a little messy. Going along with the bath bomb theme, I picked up a couple individual bath bombs. This one is the Rudolph bath bomb. It was on sale for $2.97, and I'm super disappointed in this one because I thought that the antlers would be part of the bath bomb, but the antlers are just paper. So this is what it looks like. The smell has like a, I don't know, I need to figure out what's in this, like a very perfumey scent, but super excited. I just wish that those antlers were not paper, but you win some, you lose some. The next one we got here is broke, and I'm kind of sad about it. This is part of it. It's the Snowman Dreaming Bath Bomb, and I paid $2.97 for this, and the reason I got it is because it has like a rainbow, so when you put it into the bath, it creates like a little rainbow, and I thought that was super cute. The next one Jacob was making fun of, it's this huge bath bomb right here, and this is the Snow Fairy Amaze Ball Bath Bomb, but on the thing it says Snow Fairy Crystal Ball Amaze Ball Bath Bomb. This one was on sale for $4.47, and as you can see, it's quite a large bath bomb. I don't know what this one smells like, and I don't want to open it because it will get stuff all over the place, and this is already covered in blue dust. The next one that I got is the Snow Fairy bath bomb, and this is what it looks like. Again, it's quite a huge bath bomb. This smells like bubble gum. It smells like the medicine that we had when we were kids, amoxicillin. That's what it smells like to me. And this Snow Fairy bath bomb, it looks like I got 2 of these, and they were $7.94 for both of them. So that's what this one is. I got 2 of those. didn't remember what I ordered. I was trying to order in a hurry. Then I picked up 2 Happy shower gels. I really love the Happy Hippies, and these seem like they were going to be a similar scent. Let's give it a try. These have glitter in them, which I was not expecting, but oh well. Oh, this smells good. It doesn't smell exactly what I was thinking it smelled like, but it does smell good. It says it's citrusy with lemon, neroli, and orange. So it's very citrusy, which is why I got it. Pretty sure I read the description, I just don't remember. That's why I got 2 of them. So super excited about those. I think those are probably going to be some of my new favorites. And this next one that I got is also a shower gel, and this is the Snow Fairy. And this one smells like the candy. It smells so good. Each of those shower gels were $4.97 each, I believe. And then the last thing that I got is this Once Upon a Time body lotion, and I paid $9.97 for this. This says it has jojoba oil and murmur butter lotion. The smell of this doesn't smell that great to me. It just smells kind of grassy, like earthy, I don't know. But I really do love their body lotion, so that's why I picked it up, because I wanted to try more of it. So I'm excited to give this a go. So that was it for my Lush haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I am trying new filming setups, so let me know what you think. This time I kept my glasses on because I needed to read like what I was hauling, so let me know if it's too distracting with the glare. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!